championship game between WRC and Division Shipping Lines. Their small position goes straight up Division Shipping Lines, Manalili. Beginning of the top marker. Left in bar, second. Orsal gets his first rebound of the game. Sanchez to Italiano. Italiano making goes to Orsal. Now later. Here's Sanchez bringing down the ball. Pass to Bragais. Bragais bounce pass. Manalili was wide. He got out of the field. In the batting position. Waiting for teammates, pass to Sanchez, Sanchez fires, second. Ball over to Manalili. First personal ball on Manalili. First team ball for WR. Division Shipping Lines runner. It was played intercepted by Manalili. Pass to Sancho. Back to Manalili. Great deal of shot pocket. Bragais side pass, raise it up! Husky the third for William Bang. First Boston in the championship game coming from the big England Empires. Orlando pass to Sanchez. Back to Sanchez fires. From the pride of the middle of Mr. Ken, Sanchez. Manalili drives to the lane. Ball number 9 pushing foul. 2 shots for Manalili. First personal foul for Rosal. First team foul for WRC. First escape for the thing Manalili. Taking the line for Cesring Manalili. Sanchez bringing down the ball for WRLG. Pass to Olago. Olago against Sancho. Jump set line. Back to the third. For number 11, Olago. Carlo. Yambing. Strong drive. You give it to the ball. Bragais. Fire second. Or Sanchez Silvana. Italiano. Behind the back. Against Manalili. Aras by Yambing. Pass Orsal. Orsal. Making Santander too strong. Kala on the pass. Bragais. Quick transition from Gavisan Shipping Lines. Sanchez no good. Yambing. Paulo. Manalili. Minutes of 25. Playing into Shotman again. Paulo has the ball. Paulo pass to Orsal. Orsal against Yambing. Back to Paulo. Sanchez fires. Yambing gets the rebound. Pass Manalili. Manalili for pass. Brings in the shot back. Italiano. Olago. Olago fires. Long pass in for number 11. Olago. Sancho. Sancho in the low post. Sancho number. Who gives in to Olago, standing his ground. Paulo. Bragais passing ring. Yapping started. Almost a steal and foul. 17 in the shot blocker. Manalini. 15 in the shot blocker. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Manalini. Pass to Santos, other side. Double point with the shot blocker. No good for Paulo. Here comes Osala. So doing it. Sakayan is on the court. Collins, seats public champion from UV Green Lancers. Manalini. Diambena. Manalini on your finger. Perfectly executed. Sakayan. Sakayan. It's a pass outside. Second place on 7 Osala. Tower Wise. Cesar Enriquez is in the ball game. From EU Bulldogs. Enriquez. Braga is. Goes to the lava. Takes the lava. Orgenda Gorgeous. Nakita na rin natin yung 60 layup ni Brigais. Sakayan. Sakayan goes to the lane. Gonna get it on. One lane for Mr. Sakayan. Ball number 24. First personal ball of her season. Saunders may have a rebound. Bragais. Bragais fires a short. Olago gets the rebound. Sakayan accelerates. Naiwanan sa Bragais. Ball number 3. Second personal ball on Manalini. First was good. First was good to Sakayan. Lost already rebound. One out of 5 people right now. Manalini, Bragais, Carlo lalapit, bounce pass. Sancho may paitang na bola. Sancho in the low post. Sancho power run! Back to the goal! For Mr. Sancho! Exactly 4 minutes running. Enriquez. Italian fires. Yapina, pass to Bragais. Here comes Bragais. Manalini. Kills back in the first one against Italian. Italian, gusto kumawin. Manalini, Italian, turns. Fires. Bawian ng puntos. Italian against Manalini. Manalini again. Accurate basket for defending Manalini. Enriquez has the ball. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Enriquez using the screen, fires for 3. Here comes a soft block for Manalini. Manalini again. Bounce pass. Olago with the steal. Osala. Sanchez against on the wall for Gavisan sa ayon for the quick answer. No good. Yeah, medyo for guys. 2 minutes and 30 seconds for in the shot clock. Bragais. Bragais to yung band connection. 13 against 20. 7.3 for the recent shooting lines. Italian pass. Enriquez has the ball. Against Bragais. Enriquez fires. In and out. Bragais. Foul all the way. Back to the good. Time out. WRLG. 1 minute and 53 seconds remaining. Enriquez. Enriquez passing the land. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Olago. Olago in attack, loses the ball. Ball will stay on WRLG. Olago's hurt. Enriquez. Enriquez goes to the lane. Back to the goal. For the Steve Nas Enriquez. 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Tansay, pass forward. Abagay na medal ng bola. Bigay na Gilyahan. Mr. Paka is in the game. Palio. Pinoy Sir. Back to the third for Spider. Magnolia. Italiana. Finds for the long man. Paganda. Points. Number 5 gets a young. Palio right to that pass. Nice foul. Sometimes it is finished. There's a good foul on 2 shots. Foul on number 13. Aba 2 shots for Enriquez. First personal foul warning for penalty on the Nissan shooting lines. First game on Steve Nas Enriquez. Last one with the rebound. Perfect on the line for Steve Nas Enriquez. 40 seconds. We need a shot back in Yahan. Palio. Foul versus Medina. Foul on Gonzaga. First personal foul on Gonzaga. Second team foul for WRLG. 34 seconds remaining. 34 seconds remaining. Tayo sa foul. Tayo pa ang take pass. Yahan for the finish. Right in the shot clock. 18 seconds for doing the shot clock. Enriquez is going to make a guy. Now the time in the shot clock. Shot is open. 1 second. Yahan to move the clock. Back to the ballgame. Sakayan. Sanchez. Enriquez in the low post. Tangkayo na kamatay. Enriquez. Second. Sancho. Power break sa Jansen. Pass Ahmad. Ahmad ang mag-80 more para sa Kapisan. Abad bigay kay Gijahan. Gijahan bigay kay Tangkay. Tangkay sa supong ng Cruz. Bola sa Tangkay. Sanchez sa Kanya. Pagsama drive. Gagawin. Tayo. Sancho. Back to the shoulder. For number 24, Sancho. 9 minutes and 5. Who's in the shot like it? Sanchez. Kaboom! Points on Ken Sanchez. Two shots. Ball on number 6. Head to the head on Sakayan. First personal foul for Steve Ball. First receiver. Jumping in the line on number 10, Tangkay. 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the second quarter of the championship game. Sanchez is in the city. Sanchez is hard. Abad. Back to Salio. Salio pass on by number 5. Kaboom! Harrison Abad. Sinagutakan ni Abad yung Tracy Sanchez. Sanchez ang side. Pagsama sa Enriquez. Enriquez. Sanchez Abad. Sanchez ang sila pa sa Abad. Sabi niya Abad natin na. Kaso nagkanogan ako ni Sanchez. Sanchez yun. Sakayan. Bates. Sakayan Wise. Sakayan Lewis ang side. Pakulusin na nagsangit. 7 minutes and 45. Continue the shot back Abad. Tangkay is open. Santamaria. Tangkay out in Mongolia. He's in the shot like that. Rodriguez. One on the shot from this. Abad-Leona. They're going to get down the pass break. Alio back to the center. His fire. Marcalio. He's in the shot like that. 7 minutes and 5. Sakayan. Orlando fires. Long field for Orlando. Randy on the shot marker. Ahmed. Passes it down. Gijahan fires. Enriquez lays it up. Back to the center. Proceed North Enriquez. Carlo. Lays it up. Nagoya. Here comes Sanchez, Enriquez, Malaberto, Enriquez, back to the goal! National moving. Abad ang may tangan na bola para sa kabisa na bigay kay Manila. Sancho ngayon ang nilapos. Sancho, next na walk. Konting nabigan sa ilalim ba? Ball number 24, Sancho. Second personal foul of Sancho. Sanchez is in the field. Sanchez has the right inside. Sakayan. Onside is open. Onside wide. Brings in the shot backer. Lesocca. Taglio non lo può per Sanchez. Mismatch. Foul over the holding foul of Sanchez. First personal foul of Ken Sanchez. 2 free throws for Mark Powell. First one's good for Powell. Perfect in the line for Mark Powell. 5 minutes and 25 to be the shot marker. Sanchez. Against the veteran Musonga. L'Italiana. Foul number 48. First personal foul in the video. Second team foul for the Bislan Shipping Lines. Enriquez, aumentaban la bola para su WRG. Enriquez en el ataque. Enriquez. Sigue el pase. Sanchez de one. To the fire. On Felix Sanchez. Foul number 27, pushing foul in the Sonka. First personal foul in the Sonka. 13 foul for the Bislan Shipping Lines. Lacey on the shot blocker. Steve Johnson. Sanchez ready to play that position. Sanchez numero del Sanchez. Habla de influenciar. Italiano. Ball goes back to the Bislan Shipping Lines. Abada. Lesocca. Back inside. Taglio. Ortega fires. Sound coming in. The Peter South Michael. And Enriquez. Foul number 38. Second personal foul on Julia. Warning for penalty. Two shots for Enriquez. Entonces debe. What's on the line for Enriquez? Manalili. Lesocca. Passa palla second. Paolo si chiede Rivada. Only 2.3 for the Bislan Shipping Lines. Here for the line, 3 to break the lead. Enriquez for the team. Passa Paolo. Paolo for the lead. Lesocca on the lead. Manalili. Paulo. Pasiskan guys, Sanjo, back to the field. That's the moment. Was a decent shooting line resulting in the easy 2 points of Sanjo. Over the shot marker. Enriquez. Olago, Bodianza back to the field. Number 11, Olago. Mandanili behind the casa. And the second by Paulo. Enriquez one bounce. Reaches the ball. Mandanili. Ganda ng backup. Mandanili at Enriquez. 2 point guard ng Cebu City. Sanjo. Rusok. Enriquez. Enriquez playing the point guard position for WRLG, guarded by Mandanili. See that ball, back to the field. To tie the ball game, but not the guy of the Mandanili, spread, pass, Rusok. Osana. There's Enriquez. Enriquez. Pass inside. Power down for the leader. Musaga. Bragaez. Bragaez masuk kalau pass. Seven. Power. Satu lagi. 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining. Time out, WRLG. Enriquez. Guarded by Bragaez. 1 minute and 32 seconds. Swing the shot back Enriquez. Now you see me now, you know, the Mandanili has time. He doesn't even know more. Still short. Kaya na karin. 1 minute and 5. Enriquez. Fires for the one man. Osana. Blocked by Sanjo. Paulo. Now the ball from Mandanili. Sanjo back to the goal. Davison Civil Lines will take the lead. 44-46. 31 seconds begin in the shot back italiana. Cagando di stringe al sala. Tutto quello tres. Enriquez. Sanjo makes the pass. Bragaez. Ball number 5 holding foul in Italiana. Santorio. Time out on the beach. Back to the moving. Excellent play coming from Palmer. Goal by Coach Sangkaya. Resulta ke 3-point shot. Enriquez salah Bragaez. 12 seconds remaining. And that's a ball on number 10, holding ball on Johnmar Bragaez. Penalty. Olaga. Seven seconds running. Manalili down the five. Reaches the goal. He was trying to
49 all. Napakagandang laban mga idol. Sadya mga idol na mga idol. But still, ano panikamutan ka makakapagpapalala sa live. Shoutout sa mga idol karon sa nagtanaw sa itong live. You're watching TV Lumos Invitational Basketball Tournament. Ayun, Bragayos. Shout out sa lahat ng mga viewers na yan, mga idol. Intercepted by Sanjo. Kagilok. Pass to Bragaes. Alley-oop failed. Sanchez. Italian. Kick out to Dave Owen Paulo. Too strong. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Shout out Uncle Marl Lupi and shout out Joseph Pigti ng Bantigi, Hilongos, Leyte. Medyo tinamaan tayo ng konting trangkaso lang naman mga idol. Kaya medyo yung boses natin medyo paos. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Merry Christmas mga idol. Merry Christmas sa lahat ng mga nanunood at sa buong mundo. This is the Hilongos Invitational Basketball Tournament 2025. Hatid po sa inyo ng Municipality of Hilongos, Leyte. Manalili. The Porter for 3. Bang! Luigi Gapisan, the Porter ng Cebu City. Ken Sanchez, the Blur, the pride of Hilongos, Leyte. Guarded by Manalili, pull up, missed. Rebound by Sakayan. Sakayan from UB Green Lancers to Olago, pull up. Lintes, and there's a foul. Shoutout sa tanan mga taga Batu, Leyte, Arman, Hisoltura. Taga Hilongos from Dubai now, Eleanor Leonor. Thank you for sharing. Og sa mga taga Surigao City mga idol, nakakaroon din si Bisaya Mix Vlog, John Del Hista. Ibiyahe yun mga idol just to witness sa liga diri sa Hilongos, Leyte. Shoutout sa mga taga Las Navas, Northern Samar. Basket is good. Eto na, a 7-0 run for Team Gabisan. Sanchez. Screen by Olago. Pick and roll. Olago! Ouch! Nahulog. Sakit nun. So, shoutout from Villaba ni. Also, shoutout John Caloy o Kit sa Punong Bato. From Raymond Dapikilya. Shoutout Von Garcia from Makinhas Puro 4 Atbang Patring Lechon. And shoutout Rudy Florida from Hilongos, Dang John Paul. Shoutout kay Welty Siao. Ayun, medyo masakit yung pagkabagsak mga idol ni Olago. Hopefully okay lang si Olago mga idol Shoutout ni Enting Boss na taga Malho from Jeric Nupal. Also shoutout from Karkar Cebu Lodi from John De Bukaw. Ouch! Medyo masakit talaga yun. Pero matibay yan si Ulago, mga idol. Also shoutout from Bye Bye City Lady Mandy Hervoso. And kay Mark Kilos from Cantilan, Surigao del Sur. Mark Kilos, shoutout. Ang hometown ni John Del Hista, ang Visaya Mix Vlog. Shoutout sa asawa ni John Del nga nangita na. Kay wala daw naglungag nga nilakaw diha sa Surigao City. Natumba ang kabaw. Unsaon naman na. Hala. Unsaon na lang matumba ang kabaw. Shoutout X-Factor ng Hilongos Balyada from Kierville Bar. Also mga idol, plug ko na rin yung upcoming big league din mga idol dyan sa Isabel Leyte. That would be on January 2 to 5 sa GNRC Municipal Gym. Magandang laban din yung mga idol kasi 26 and under. So yun, may Team Oxy, Team Mixed Dental Clinic, Team Coach K at saka ang isang team JV Enterprises. Yung mga lodi natin like ni tawag nito si Steve Nash maglalaro din doon. Titing Manalili will play for Mixed Dental Clinic also. And from UP Fighting Maroons na si Harold Alarcon maglalaro din doon. Kaya abangan ninyo mga idola doon sa Isabel Leyte sa January 2 to 5. Okay. Shoutout kan Dowem Caballero from Abuyog Leyte, from Romel SL Santos. Also shoutout from Macrohon Southern Leyte, Dong Sanico. 7 minutes and 28 seconds in the third period. Shoutout from Tindira Ugmuron sa Pantalan, especially ni Neneng Oktubre. Shoutout. Merry Christmas diya sa atong idol Mighty Mouse ng Paranas Eastern Samar. Shoutout diya idol AJ Tulipas. Merry Christmas idol. 7 minutes and 16 seconds.
16 seconds remaining in the third quarter of the championship game. 6.3 for the Mission Shooting Lights.
Steve Nash. Okay, pinagsabay na yung dalawang point guard mga idol, Enriquez at Steve Nash. Ding Mouse. Wow! Why lumabas? Sayang yun. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Sakayan missed. And ball possession, WRLG. Shoutout ni John Orais from St. Bernard and also kay Yuri Kong sa Hindang Leyte. And Mr. Taho, Yakult, John Errol Taho of Albuera. The Porter drop pass to Yambing. Ang ganda ng drop pass mga idol by the Porter to Yambing, the pride of I think Hilongos. Sorry, Padre Burgos. Tama ba? Padre Burgos ba si Yambing? Shout out Hilas Gilas 40 Up Basketball Club Abuyog Leyte. 6 minutes and 13 seconds mga idol in the third period. Okay, Emmanuel Calo to Kagilok Sanjo kick out. The Porter for 3 missed. Rebound by Sanchez. The blur ng Leyte. Italian. Wide open 3 missed. Rebound by Air Yambing. Abad. Sabi ni John Del, si Abad daw, si Rolando Abad daw ito. Pero John Mike pala. Yambing, short. Rebound by Gabisan. Sanjo, back to Yambing. Fake and drive. Still missed. Offensive rebound, block shot. Here comes Italian. Ang ganda ng drop pass. to Steve Nash Enriquez. Time out! Mga highly notable players, mga idol, ng Panalay andito ngayon sa Hilongos, Leyte.
Abad has the ball.
Sanjo, bang! Kick out. Back to Iman Calo for three. Missed. Rebound by the 3K battery Orsal. Dablor. Guarded by Abad. Dablor pull up. In and out. Rebound by Gabisan. 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Yambing, 2 points. Shout out idol Erwin Aranes from Bukidnon. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. And there's a foul from John Michael Abad.
Ball number 13 holding Paul and Abad. Second personal foul and Abad.
That will be his second personal foul. Okay, inbound by Ken Sanchez. An 8 points lead for Team Gabisan. Olago, intercepted by Gabisan. Here comes Calo to Yambing. Ay, kala ko idadunk na ni Yambing, mga idol. Shoutout Sports Handicapper in Bay, Roy Ampo, Giovanni Abad, Rolando, Ronald Abad from Puro 4, Pulumulok, South Cotabato. Rebound by Abad. To Kagilok Sanjo. Steal by Italian. Ay, nabitawan. Ganda sana ng pasa nun. Hintalian to Orsal. Happy birthday, Maclogens from Inupacan, Leyte. Happy birthday, mga idol. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Yambing. Pull up. Wala. Hintalian. And there's a foul from Gabisan. Shoutout from Sikihor, Carlo Bungalan, and also shoutout from Batangas, John Lloyd Claros. And Ron J. Rivera Daro. Shoutout also diya, mga idol. Sa tanan mga nagtanaw karon sa LED wall diri sa atbang sa Metro og diha sa Plaza Rizal. Mga gwapa nga nagtanaw diha sa tanan mga lumulupyo sa Hilongos, mga idol. Shout out sa inyong tanan. Shout out watching from St. Ambrose Bato, Leyte, Dondex, ni LED. Oh, still a 10 points lead for Team Gabisan. Steve Nash, guarded by Abad. Block shot by Kagilog Sancho. Abad to Yambing. Pull up for 3. Short. Rebound by Sakayan. Watching from Bantigay, Hilongos, Leyte, Fernando Villacorte. Sakayan attacking the defense. Drop to Olago. And impossible 3-point play by Olago. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Happy birthday, Apple Rose Salva from Tagum City, Davao del Norte. And shout out from Hampangan Alloy Boys from Nor Anil.
7,300 viewers.
Shout out sa mga nagtanaw karon. 7,300 viewers. Mga viewers ni Bisaya Mix Vlog nagtanaw karon, mga idol. Labi ng mga taga Mindanao nga balwarte ni Jandel Hista. O kang Makoy Palaboy dia, mga idol, ha. Sa Surigao, shout out. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Sanjo Tulustok, wala. Hintalian to Enriquez. Pull up for 3. Miss. Rebound by Talio. Abad Tulustok for 3. Airball. Shoutout ko ni Budoy from Barangay Campina. Also shoutout kang Erne from Nico Boktut. And from shoutout kay DJ from the City of Beautiful People or Mock City. Watching from Virginia, USA, Sylvia Carter. One of our Diamond fan. Thank you for tuning in, Idol. Steve Nash. Nice fake. Pinasayaw si Lusdok. Ayop! Sayang! Putback wala! Olago! 2 points! Ang ganda sana ng play nun! Talio, speed move! Nahagaw! And there's a foul from Mac Talio. Okay, it's Sakayan rather. Sayang yung alley-oop. Shoutout Juval from Maasin, Dominador Capicio. Braga is fake. Step back. Airball. Shoutout K5 Resort, Nigat, Plaridel, Bye-Bye City, Engineer Ray Dasera. Also shoutout sa pamilya ni Archie Caliso sa Tawi-Tawi. And Sakuragi, Idol, Abrantes, Empron. Shoutout. And there's a foul. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Shoutout sa nag-birthday nga si nga lumalive si Jason Duran. Also kay Arthur Barangay Naval from Christian Fortaleza. Second throw on the glass. Lead cat down to 3 points, mga idol. Shout out from Serious Stars, Pilipinas, said Alosilio. Sanjo, banggaan with Olago, hook shot. Miss, rebound by Olago. Here comes Hintalyan. Lumipad, and there's an offensive foul.
Offensive foul is the caller on number 17 on Sarge.
That would be from Oksan. And it is his second personal foul. Shout out dia kay Idol Dondon Goso dia sa Perth, Australia. Ang owner ng GS Laundry Services and 4B Game Farm. Talio, 2 points. Binakhand ni Talio yun, backhand layup ang tawag doon. One-hander. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, medyo nagkainitan na mga idol. Nagkainitan.
Kunting lambingan para sa paparating na Pasko.
Merry Christmas mga idol! Merry Christmas!
Foul number 11, holding Paul and Mark Talio.
Merry Christmas mga idol, ha? Merry Christmas! Hindi nagkaintindihan si Ogsang at si Luigi Gavisan. Shout out Derek Villaluna and Jenelu Alimorin. Shout out. Og sa mga nag-birthday. Shout out again. Dol, shout out.
Okay, shout out sa tuwang live viewers, mga idol na today from Bisaya Mix Vlog and also Kadayo. Shout out, happy watching mga idol. Happy watching sa tuwang mga followers. 8,100 viewers. And shout out din sa Municipality of Hilongos Open Invitational Basketball Tournament. Championship game, Gabisan versus WRLG.
Sanjo.
Kick out, Abad for 3. Bang! 3 points by John Abad. Ang Rolando Abad ng Cebu. Step Nas Enriquez, binantayan ni Jinmar Bragaez. 1-on-1. Enriquez. Double team. Sa gilid. Gentalian for 3. Bang! Bumawi naman agad si Gentalian.
Here we go.
Enriquez ngayon, nadala ng bola.
Enriquez.
The ball screen by Olaco, far for 3. Mentes, rebound by Landry Sanjo.
9 minutes 45 seconds.
Nandiyan na si Titing Manalili. Manalili. Octo, Yambing, steal by Gentalian.
Nilabas yung bola, bigyan sa kaya. Libre sa Enriquez.
Okay, mga idol. Balik tayo. Okay, welcome back mga idol. This is the fourth and final quarter. 3 points lead for Team Gabisan against WRLG. Remaining time 9 minutes and 24 seconds. Shoutout sa ating mga viewers natin dyan. Don't forget to like and also follow sa atong Kadayo Facebook page. Kagilok! Sanjo. Okay, there's a foul. No, out of bounds. Tapped by Olago. Shoutout kan Boss Lloyd Misagal, 3-point shooter ng Kapuukan. Kalo. Rebound by Olago. Hintalian. Intercepted by Manalili. Manalili. Pull up. Not good. Kalo for 3. Yes, sir! 3 points. Shoutout niya kay Konsehal Bong Banaag ng Isabel Leyte. Next stop natin, January 2 to 5, dyan sa Isabel Leyte mga idol. Yan ay liga. Napakalaking liga dyan sa Isabel Leyte mga idol. Organized by Konsehal Bong Noel Banaag. And also, that is the Mayor Bennett Pongos Mayor's Cup. 26 under invitational basketball tournament dyan sa Isabel Leyte. Save the date mga idol. Save the date, January 2 to 5 dyan sa Isabel Leyte. Shoutout sa mga taga-DOS from Blackie also. Kay shoutout ni Henry Douglas, pinakagwapo sa Baybay. And also kay Dance Irwin from San Roque, Liluan. 8 minutes and 10 seconds mga idol, with only 6 points lead lang. Ganda ng mga galaw mga idol. Ito na, pinasok na si Sanchez, the blower ng Leyte versus Manalili. Screen by Olago. Sanchez breaking the defense. Ouch! Napasa ni Kalo. And okay, ball possession, Team Gabisan. Shoutout sa atong idol dia, si Idol Jeremy Caparuso. Shoutout dia idol. Manalili. Wow! And may kasama pang foul! Ibang klase mga idol. Pinasabit pa si Orsal. Shoutout watching from Canada, Canajing, Ormoc City. Idol Ideal Lapot.
Highlights for the reigning rookie of the year for NCAA.
Okay, 3-point play by Titing Manalili, Rookie of the Year ng NCAA. Shoutout Rav Nara, Pride of Hilungos. Also watching from Paranaque. Shoutout sa mga taga Hindang. GJ Cadayuna. Olago. Guarded, kick out Ogsang.
Osana Enriquez. 5-minute shot clock.
And same ball possession. Shoutout Kibol from Hibunawan, Baybay City. And ni Ruji Mark Balili, ang mamaw ng maasin from Ryan Aninyon. Okay, time. We're watching from Bacoor, Cavite, Michael Olila. Ogsang, 2 points. Napagandang addition ni Ogsang, mga idol, sa WRLG. Siya yung replacement ni Idol Ikal kasi na-injury si Ikal. Wow! Manalili to Iman Calo. Shout out Idol John Miguel Yen, isa sa pinakagahi diya sa sugpo, mga idol. Shout out diya sa Sports Tabay. 6 minutes and 34 seconds.
The point guard of Litra Knights.
Manalili. Nakawala na naman. Grabe si Manalili, mga idol. Steal by Bargaes. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Manalili.
Nakawala na naman.
Rebound by Hintalyan. Here comes Hintalyan, mga idol. Raul Hintalyan from UB Green Lancers. Kick out. Steve Nash back to Hintalyan for 3. Yes, sir! Never say die, mga idol, for WRLG. 5 minutes and 32 seconds. Calo. Manalili. Block shot. Calo. Wala. Rebound by Ogsang. Ang ganda ng depensa, mga idol, ni Bragaes. And there's a foul. Okay. 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Time out, Team Gabisan. Grabe, ang ganda ng laro, mga idol. Shoutout to Mayor, mga idol. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga viewers natin dyan, lalong-lalo na dyan sa Rizal Plaza ng Hilongos na nanonood sa LED Wall, courtesy of LGU Hilongos. Bragaes. Missed offensive rebound, Yambing! Nandyan si Yambing to save the day. Shoutouts from Davao City, J. Kaasi.
4 minutes and 45.
Hintalyan. Munti ka nang ma-turnover. Hintalyan, nakawala. Backshot, wala. Ayan na, mga idol. Calo to Bragaes. Lead stretch to 12 points to, mga idol. Remaining time 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Ogsang, mintis pa rin.
Minutes and 5. Manalili.
Manalili. Nakawala na naman. Nangangamoy MVP. Time out, WRLG. Remaining time 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Nyo sa 2026. Shout out. Shout out all employees of Dayon Cafe and Bistro. We will wait, Kuno, for you after the game. 3 minutes and 29 seconds.
3 minutes and 25.
Manalili for 3. Air ball. Rebound ni Olago. Steve Nash, long pass to Sakayan. 2 points. Kaya pa yan. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Shout out ni El Presidente Weldel Bailon Ramos. Shout out ni Lloyd Gatok. Ang parihag naong ni Bragais.
WRS Roller. We come with 3 minutes remaining.
Exactly 3 minutes mga idol ha. So 12 points lead for Team Gabisan. Enriquez to Sakayan. Bibira ng 3. Mintes. Nakuha ni Enriquez. Fake. Screen by Olago. Hintalyan. Binalik kay Sakayan. Wide open 3. Wala pa rin. Kang naubusan na ng bala. Shout out to ito.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. Man in the shot marker.
2 minutes and 25 seconds. Calo missed. Rebound by Hintalyan.
2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Steve Nash. Long bomb. Missed. Rebound by Manalili. Shout out Dole Beds Catering and Services watching from Liloan Southern Leyte from Jewel Chua. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by LGU Hilongos Leyte. Step back. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Shout out kay John Acosta Patoy Solihon. Shout out diha idol. Wala pa rin. Okay, pinasok na si Jumbo Gonzalez, si Guzon, at saka si Chavez. Shoutout ni John James nagtanaw bisag nasa CR from Joanna Miraflor. Ano sakto nga kwan? Pati si Robles pinasok na rin mga idol. I think
lalabas na si Sanjo.
ito si Kagilok Sanjo pinalabas. Ay, hindi pa pala. Ayaw pa ni Sanjo lumabas. Shoutout watching from Tokoyama, Japan from Johnny.
1 minute and 25.
Goes on for 3. Air ball. Shoutout ni Nelson Bugas from HJ Lagumbay. Okay, runs nets Agustin Bats. Shoutout ni Roswell Taroha na taga Kanajing. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
14 minutes shot backer.
Ito na.
The time in the shot backer.
Exactly 1 minute. Yambing. Dadang kaya. Shout out from Pintuyan, Southern Leyte, James Repma Ampere. Ayun, kwanto ka ng shot clock violation. Okay. Robles for 3. Wala. And that is all mga idol. Congratulations team